Right now is a 6:51, and if you're a parent, then you know just how difficult it is to get your children to eat healthy. Well, now you may not have to worry about that because there's a local cooking school that's here to help. On this week's Hometown Hotspot, our Natalie Parsons heads to Irmo for some sizzling tips.
Slicing and dicing are just two techniques used at Healthy Hands Cooking in Irmo. What may seem like a difficult chore has one picky eater learning to keep an open mind.
I don't like broccoli. I don't like seafood. I don't like Brussels sprouts.
Evan Outlaw loves food and cooking, but he doesn't always eat the healthiest option. In fact, his sweet tooth is what he needs to work on.
To eat healthy and stop eating junk food and candy.
According to the CDC, about 1 in 5 children in the U.S. are considered obese. Certified instructor Judy Etheredge is cooking to educate children about nutrition and says that healthy eating starts at home.
We're busy and we don't have time or take the time out to prepare those healthy foods or to have them available for our children. Do everything with your hands.
During this Healthy Hands Cooking 4-day camp, these chefs in training not only get to try new and different foods, but learn how to cook healthier meals.
So to make it easy and simple is that we keep the ingredients to a minimum, and we keep the ingredients fresh, and we keep the ingredients whole as possible.
With an emphasis on fruits and vegetables and overall health, smoothies, salads, stir-fry, and pizzas win these little taste buds over.
I love them.
Where all you need is a pinch of fun and a dash of motivation to make real good food. In incredible Irmo, Natalie Parsons, Watch Fox News.
Well, Healthy Hands Cooking offers classes for 2-year-olds all the way up to those who are seniors. It also has cooking events planned throughout the year. For more information, head on over to our website at wach.com.